haven't done a van update in a while and just cleaned it out a little bit, so I figured I'd do a kind of an update before some more preventive maintenance and some more redesign. So preventive maintenance, we're going to be going in and changing out the spark plugs, I think, checking the wires from before, and then changing the oil. That's about it. It's pretty good. Check fluids, that kind of thing. Check underneath, make sure everything's good. Then we got some projects in the back here. So starting out, I've got one fan back there, and that works, but it blows air forward, and that's about it. And there's no vent back here. So I'm gonna take a little 5 volt or 12 volt fans I've got and see if I can't mount one here someplace, kind of behind the driver, and blow it this way. So we got air going both ways, and that's what this switch I put in originally. I've got one cigarette lighter thing here. I'm going to add at least a second, if not maybe even a third, and then probably get 120 into here. So if we look in here, got plenty of room, both on the little mock-up board there and the inside. So we'll have some time to put all that stuff together. Just have a little more electronic options. And over here, I think what I'll do is use what I've got on this side right now is nothing, just a gas can and some cleaning supplies and garbage bags, really, which is nothing and could be compressed. So I'm thinking I'll take some of these tools, which is this shelf and that bag, and see if I can't get them to stow in here. That'll clean this up, and then I'm thinking of chopping this thing down to here, and I think that'll be a lot better than the way it is now. Be able to sit on that if necessary and have a little more wall space there, and I think that'll get that in a lot more solid, and it'll be a better level, I think, for working on it. Otherwise, that's about, I think, and then I'm going to bring some electric up into here somewhere, so when I am working over here, I've got some electric outlets over there. It'll probably be easiest to just go this way and around so that it's fairly exposed. I guess I can update the carpet. I used the spray glue from Harbor Freight, and it's worked well on the flag and on this multicam fabric, but on the carpet not so well. There's some spots there where it's letting go, so I'm thinking just a razor blade cut and the glue with one of those like straws on the front of the nozzle, so that I can just spray the glue back there, and hopefully that'll tacky that back up again. And then I'm thinking of something for the roof. So if you have ideas for what to do on the ceiling, then let me know, because I'm getting sick of reading the gaff or whatever the hell it's saying. And then I'll have to touch up down here just to get it to look a little cleaner. I'll probably pull the flag off, because you can see the words behind it. Put some kind of a white thing up, affixed to the wall, and then put the flag on that. And I think that's about it. So I guess another couple of ideas, if there's time, is I might put the satellite radio back here, or at least a way to move it back here, like a permanent mount back here. So if I'm sitting in back, I can have some speakers and the satellite radio back here, and not have to use the front. And and then a way to permanently put the laptop in. And I think that might be another reason for cutting this, so that I can just set the laptop on that, especially if this is in permanently and there's electric over here. Alright, well, that's the van. Quick update on it, and if you have any other ideas or suggestions, let us know. We'll be planning the tour here sooner than later, heading out on the road again, hopefully in March. So, thanks for watching, and I guess I should end on the patches. Till next time.